Hello students, one more interesting and amazing sum. X, Y, Z greater than 0, you have to find the value of this determinant 1 log of y base x, log of z plus x, log of y base x, 1 log of z base y, log of x base z, log of y base z and 1. Can you solve this sum just in half second? Yes, it is possible. The value of this determinant is 0. Why? Look the trick behind it. Let us assume x equal to y equal to z equal to 2. X equal to y equal to z equal to 2 and see what is the value of this determinant. 1 log of 2 base 2, that means you get 1. Log of z base x, that is log of 2 base 2, you get 1. Log of y base x, log of 2 base 2, 1. In this way you get 1 in all the places. And what is the value of this determinant? 0. Why? Because if 2 rows or 2 columns of a determinant are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. So the value of this determinant equal to 0. And you can check this value with proper method.